In this video, I'll detail how to set up Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, either the 45mm or 41mm GPS or GPS with cellular, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how to set up a new Apple Watch Series 9. So the first thing to do in setting up your new Apple Watch Series 9 is just press the set button to turn on the Apple Watch if it is turned off. And once you press the side button, it's going to take the Apple Watch Series 9 about 10 seconds to boot to where you can set up your Apple Watch and pair it with your iPhone. Then it's going to start by booting the Apple logo, fade a bit on the screen. Then once the Apple Watch is coming up, you're going to see the Apple logo become lighter. And once it becomes lighter, then it's going to take you to where you'll be prompted to set up the Apple Watch or pair the Apple Watch with your iPhone. Then on the screen you can see bring iPhone near Apple Watch. Then go and grab your iPhone. It is compulsory. If you want to set up your Apple Watch, you need to bring in your iPhone. Then once you bring your iPhone close to your Apple Watch, your iPhone will automatically detect your Apple Watch and you should see Apple Watch. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Now to set up your Apple Watch Series 9, all you just need to do is click on the continue button. Then once you click on the continue button, you can just go ahead and drop your Apple Watch. Here you'll be prompted to set up your Apple Watch Series 9 for yourself or family. You can see I have setting up a family require Apple Watch Series 4, GPS plus cellular, Apple Watch XE or later, and here I have the Apple Watch Series 9. So I'm going to go ahead now and set up my Apple Watch Series 9 or pair my Apple Watch Series 9 with my iPhone. Click on setup for myself. Then you'll be prompted to put Apple Watch up to the camera. Then on your Apple Watch, this is what you're going to see. It's going to put your Apple Watch on pairing mode automatically. Then bring it to the camera like this to scan it. There you go. You can see your Apple Watch is paired. Then you can just go ahead, drop your Apple Watch. Now, restore from backup if you have a backup or set up as a new Apple Watch. This is a new Apple Watch and this is Apple Watch Series 9. Then to set up or connect your Apple Watch Series 9 with your iPhone, just go ahead and click on set up as a new Apple Watch. Then choose your wrist preference. If you want to put your Apple Watch Series 9 on your left wrist or right wrist, select whichever one you want to use. Here I'm going to use left, then select continue and hang on. Then you're going to see your iPhone is trying to set up your preference. After that, you're going to see connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. This is going to connect your Apple Watch Series 9 to the same iCloud account you have on your iPhone. Then you just need to hang on for the process to complete, and this may take a couple of minutes. Then you're going to see activating your Apple Watch. Then once the Apple Watch is activated, you'll be prompted to agree to terms and conditions. Click on agree. Now, you'll be prompted to set your Apple Watch passcode. Now, you want to set a new passcode you can easily remember on your Apple Watch. Click on create a passcode, and here you'll be prompted to use your Apple Watch. Take your Apple Watch and then create your new passcode. Repeat the passcode. Then drop the Apple Watch. There you go. Then come back to your iPhone. You'll be prompted to change the Apple Watch text size. And just click on continue. You can set this up later. Sharing, click on OK. Then you're going to see your personalized fitness and health page. Then go ahead and set this up. Then click on continue. Then skip this. Here, get notification about your health. If you want to use your Apple Watch for the pulse of your health, you want to turn on cardio fitness. Otherwise, disable it and click on continue. Then this is your safety check. Click on continue. Then tap your index, finger and thumb together twice to answer a call, reply a text message, see your smart tag, and more. So this is called the smart gesture on your Apple Watch Series 9. Then click on continue. Hold on. Then you should see signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. Now, your Apple Watch is going to be signed into the same iCloud account as your iPhone. So just hang on while your iPhone is trying to sign into the same iCloud account on your Apple Watch. And this is for security reason. If anyone take your Apple Watch and try to do a factory reset or reset the Apple Watch to the factory settings, then the person will be logged based on the iCloud account that the Apple Watch was signed in, and that's what you're going to see owner activation log on your Apple Watch, then the person will need to provide the passcode and email address to your iCloud account before they can use the Apple Watch. So just hang on. When you see signing into your account, this may take a several minutes. Now, once Apple signed into your iCloud account on your Apple Watch, then you're going to see your Apple Watch is almost ready. You will get an alert when it is done, so you can use your iPhone as you normally would. While you are waiting, learn more about your Apple Watch. Then you have successfully set up your Apple Watch Series 9, and your Apple Watch Series 9 is now connected with your iPhone. Then you can click on Get to Know Your Watch, or better still, just close this page while your Apple Watch is setting up. And once the process is completed, you have a notifications on your iPhone that your Apple Watch is set up completely and you can start using your Apple Watch. Now, while waiting for your Apple Watch setup process to complete, you can start using your iPhone as you normally would according to what you have on Apple Watch is synchronizing. So once the synchronizing process is completed with your iPhone, then this page can be closed and then you can start using your iWatch and your iPhone accordingly. So just hang on for this to complete. Then once the process is completed on your iPhone, then you're going to see device added to your account, and Apple Watch now access to iMessage. If you don't recognize this device, you can remove it in settings. Now that you want to connect your Apple Watch Series 9 to your iPhone, and you see this message that says the new Apple Watch Series 9 is now added to your iPhone, just go ahead and click on OK. And you can do well by going to your iPhone settings and then remove the Apple Watch Series 9 from your iPhone from accessing iMessage and other notifications on your Apple Watch. Then you're gonna see welcome to Apple Watch. Setup is completed. Then you can drop your iPhone, take your Apple Watch, then type in your passcode, the passcode you set while setting up your Apple Watch Series 9. Then click on the start button to start with. There you go. Skip or take a tour, and that is it. Turn on location service to allow Apple Watch face to determine your location. Go ahead, turn that on, enabled, then that is it. So that's all you need to do to set up Apple Watch Series 9 or connect your Apple Watch Series 9 with your iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.